How to add songs to Spotify. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can add songs to Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Adding your songs to Spotify means that you're uploading music as a musician or an artist to the Spotify platform. If you have a music or you have signed a label, or maybe you want to go ahead and simply upload it, you can simply go ahead and do that. For this, open your browser and just go to artist.spotify.com. Again, I repeat, artist.spotify.com. I'm also going to be able to make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box below. Once you come to the website, just tap the three lines option from the top right hand side of the screen, which is the three lines option. Then go to get access. Now, just in case you're on PC, you'll find the get access from the top right. You don't have to tap the lines option or anything. Now you can select whether you're a label team member or maybe you're an artist or manager yourself. You can simply select that and you'll be taken to the page where you can claim an artist profile. It says if you already have music on Spotify, you can get access to stats, page tracks, to our editors and more. By just tapping the continue option, you'll be able to go ahead and select yes, log into your account and search for artist or paste a Spotify artist URL, and then you'll be able to basically claim your artist profile. After you claim your artist profile, you'll be able to upload songs or add songs to Spotify. This way you'll be able to add songs to Spotify. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.